This video shows how to save and read the AD conversion values obtained as a result of an adjustment. When adjusting an analog circuit, you might want to save the results of your adjustments and check them later. This is where QE for AFE comes in handy. Check the obtained AD conversion values in the graph in the AFE monitor view and in the AFE raw data view and save the obtained AD conversion values to a file. To save the obtained AD conversion values to a file, select Save AFE Tuning Data to File. This section shows how to read in the saved AD conversion values. To display the obtained AD conversion values in the graph in the AFE monitor view and in the AFE raw data view, select Read AFE Tuning Data from File and specify the file you just saved.